on iMovie HD. Basically, what iMovie HD, why you would use it instead of maybe iMovie 08. Macintosh kind of messed up on iMovie 08 and iMovie 09. If you really look at it and if you really try out iMovie HD, you have a lot of features that didn't come with iMovie 08 and 09, and this came out in 06. So I mean, yeah, you got a lot of problems with two of the latest iMovies, but I'm gonna give a later video on how to get iMovie HD for free off the internet, since there's no really other way to get it, since Mac basically took it down off the internet, stopped selling the package that came with it. First things first, starting your own project. When you open up iMovie HD, you get something that looks similar to this. You can create a new project, or you can go into File, New, and change the settings around to get HD. But I'm just going to keep it simple and click on it, Create New. Just wait till this comes open. But yeah, I mean, you got a lot of features, like you have, okay, I'll get back to that once I finish up here. You can make it migrate movie. It asks you where to go. Right down here is your video format. If you want it to be in high definition, you can change it to HDV 720p, but regularly you have it at iSight. If you don't want it to be in HD, that's fine. Just don't worry about that. I'm not going to make this one in HD. Create New. And let's go migrate movie. Quick note, once you've opened it, there's no way of changing the video format once it's opened. You have to go to File, New, or you have to copy paste all your work into a new window. But yeah, basically what you have here, let me just open this up more, is you have your clips, you have your video screen, you have your timeline down here, you have all your editing tools, categories, volume, controls, iSight, or what's on your computer, timeline, or the clip viewer. But let's just go in order. First thing you want to do is, say I would have a video right here. I would want to hold it, drag it, place it in the clip. Okay, and then from the clips, I can just drag it into here. But what you can also do is you can also just take it, drag it right into your timeline. Why would you do it up here? Maybe to stay a little bit more organized. Once you've done that, maybe you want to edit it. You want to go to editing, and if we could get this to load. Okay, you have your titles, transitions, video effects, and audio effects. You can make something like this, or you can do far, far away, which is pretty cool. It's kind of like Star Wars in a way. You can change the speed down here. For instance, if you make the speed greater, it'll go slower. It's never this skippy. It just with the preview. It's weird. But as you can see, it looks somewhat like Star Wars. That was their goal. Transitions. Basically, you have two clips, add a transition, and cross dissolve, do whatever. iMovie took out a lot of these. It's just really sucked. Video effects, I don't think iMovie had iMovie 08. I'm talking about iMovie 09 when I compare them. Had any of these features. But you have lightning, you have earthquake, you have all these cool things, fairy dust. You have audio effects. If I could get in there. You have high pass. You can noise. You could just do a lot of things. You can change the pitch. Monsters and chipmunks. Now down here, if we want to get into, we go to media. You can import your media off of iTunes. You can also have GarageBand if you have GarageBand. You can do that way. You can also record from your microphone right over here. Themes. Themes are pretty cool. I don't think you could download some themes offline. I haven't gotten a chance to do that yet. Probably won't do it either. Chapter, not sure what that is. Down here, two different things. You can record by just clicking on this. I'm not going to record anything though. Basically, just click on there. And over here, you have your arrange it by timelines or by clips. Kind of hard to show you without an example, but I'll show you. I'll go to editing and I'll create a title. I'll just create it drifting. Who cares? 1. Guess that's what it is. And over here you'll see that it's rendering. That's with the little red under that. Even Final Cut Express doesn't even do this. And Final Cut Express is basically iMovie HD on steroids. It automatically renders things that you've just imported. So that's a pretty cool feature. For instance, you have it on your timeline. You can see your video is the first slide, audio 1 is your second, and audio 3 is your third. So you can have 2 clips of audio running at the same time. Now say you just want to look at video, like you're not using audio, you can go to timeline and you'll see it minimizes down or shrinks down into a clip. Now a clip is easier to play around with, I guess, with video editing. And for instance, if I wanted to go to, well, let's do lightning. Lightning's pretty cool. Electricity. You know, you can go around. You can do a lot of cool stuff. You know, it's just a shame that they didn't make this into iMovie 08. To share, to make, once you finished it, you're basically stuck with this. You can go to share, and compress it down to whatever full quality, so you run web streaming, web, email, or you can do expert settings, which is how you get it into full HD. Another cool thing is you can cut clips. Say I want to do apple tea, and maybe I want to move it away. Stops and then comes back. You can do apple Z to do that. Basically, it's a great program. I'm going to make a next video on how to get it for free. So, thank you.